Hello, Crazy here. Got home from work. Got a box here. Box took forever to get here. Box was in this. And this is the box that was inside of that. It's the Alien from A-Box. They had some shipping problems. They had a shipping company that didn't live up to their part, was giving them wrong information. So, of course, they're giving information wrong to everybody else. They've had some problems with this. Not a good way to start out. It's a pretty new company. This box is like a special edition box. It was $61 with shipping and everything. They have a monthly box. I think it's like $25 then plus shipping. And there's been problems with that too already. I know somebody that got charged like 30 times for it. And then last night another buddy told me he got charged twice for it. But that's a different story. Let's open this box. Like I said, it took like forever to get here. Open it. That's what you see. Everything's packaged pretty good. First box. If I can figure out how to open it. It's like they stuffed everything in this one box. There's two boxes, a big box and then this box. So, let's see if we can't get something out of here. Alright, first item is a bottle opener. Actually looks pretty cool. It is a face hugger bottle opener on a keychain. Actually pretty cool. Very heavy. Thick. Made really well. Has Alien written on the back. Don't know if you can see that or not. It's really thick and heavy, which is always good. It's in this little box. Their packaging is pretty cool. Looks like everything's in its own separate box and stuff. Next item is pin badges. Set of 6 badges. And it looks like it's like they're not bad badges. Are pins. But they're of the different badges throughout the movies, or the last movie. It's pretty cool. Let's see what kind of clasp they have on it. And they just have the regular metal ones. Guess that's okay. Of course, they come in its own little box. It says on the back, this item is not a toy. Alright. Next item is, if I can get it out right, the hat. Alien hat. It is Velcro on the back. Licensed. I don't kind of like the emblem on here. It's just like like it was ironed on there. So in my opinion, the hat's not all that great of quality. Or at least the emblem's not. It is pretty centered. But I don't know if it's a hat that I wear because I don't like the Velcro on it. Next item is a t-shirt. Of course, they don't have my size. So I don't get to wear this t-shirt. So I got it my wife's size. She gets to wear this t-shirt. And of course it is licensed. But here is the shirt. It's a face hugger. Get that out of the way. It's one color. It's pretty cool. I don't think she can wear that to work. Might scare the kids. And that's everything in that box. But this is the money box right here. This is why everybody bought this box. Right here. This is a face hugger. Posable replica. I've seen other unboxings for this, so. The certificate of authenticity. Right there. It's kind of bent up. That's fine. But this is pretty scary if you see in the movies. Because it actually looks like one. Have to can move it. Pose it. Whatever. Has the tail. This is actually pretty cool. See if it fits on my face. Help me! I'm gonna have an alien come out now. It's actually pretty cool. It's actually really long too. I did a good job on this, I think. Looks pretty cool. So that is the alien box from A-Box. There was a cheat card in the bottom here. I know a couple people, their alien was broke. Their face hugger. But there was the t-shirt, the face hugger, the pin set, the cap, and the dual purpose keychain. Then on here it says, thank you for your order. And just a little bit about them. Tag us in your unboxing video by July 30th. Doesn't say much more than that. But there's the letter from them. And here's the items. I like this box. I'm not sure about their monthly box. I'm still thinking about it with all the problems they've had getting this one out. So, maybe, maybe not. But anyway, hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you guys go check out my contest or my 300 subscriber giveaway. Giving out some pretty cool stuff. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe down below. Till next time, stay fucking crazy.